Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage user roles and permissions in Zoho Books. This is essential for controlling what your team members can see and do within your account, ensuring everyone has the right level of access without compromising security or data integrity. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log in to your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged in as an administrator, as only admins have the authority to modify user roles and permissions. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to access all the configuration options for your Zoho Books account. This is where you'll control everything from company details to user management. From the settings menu, locate and click on the users and roles section. This area is specifically designed to help you manage who has access to your account and what they're allowed to do. It's the control center for your team's permissions. Once you're in the Users and Roles section, click on the Roles tab. Here you'll see a list of all the existing roles in your organization. Each role represents a set of permissions that can be assigned to different users, making it easy to manage access across multiple team members at once. On this page, you'll notice that each role has a menu on the right side. Click on this menu for the role you want to modify. You'll see three options appear. Select the one labeled Edit. This opens up the detailed permissions page where you can see exactly what access this particular role currently has. Now you're looking at a comprehensive list of features and functions within Zoho Books. Each one has a checkbox next to it. By clicking or selecting these checkboxes, you can enable or disable specific permissions for this role. For example, you might want sales staff to view invoices but not delete them, or allow accountants to access reports but restrict access to banking features. Scroll down through the page to review all available options and access levels. Zoho Books offers granular control, so take your time to ensure each role has exactly the permissions it needs. This prevents unauthorized access while empowering your team to do their jobs effectively. Once you've finished adjusting the permissions, click the Save button at the bottom of your screen. That's it. You've successfully managed user roles by setting specific access and restrictions to each feature in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.